Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. I should be running some trains, but first I've got to clean lots of track, and I don't really feel like that today. So I've started on the mini beach area. It's got a fort in the corner. I've got to get my walkway from here down onto the beach, so that's what I fancy doing today. So yeah, it's going to be more in the kitchen, I think. So I'll get some templates and some plans going, and then we'll see if we can make the bridge and bring up this beach level a little bit. So yeah, that's what I feel like today. The funny thing about open frame building is, for ages you've just got this skeleton of bits of wood with track beds on, and then it just starts to come to life with a bit of cardboard and paper and glue. So this is my beach. So that's the first layer of kind of my beach. I know there's a man at main train going to say, where's the water? But I'm sorry, my modelling skills are not that good. I suppose I could have some water in here maybe if I wanted to. But that's the first layer. Here we go again. Oh, there we go. These are my my layers to the shingle. So I'm going to use some of that. I think it might be budgie grit or something like that to. And I've got some different sands, so a mixture of budgie grit, and that will be my beach with a few groins going down every now and again, maybe the lolly sticks or something. So yeah, that's my beach, and now I've got to yes, get this bridge template going. So yeah, okay, back in a minute. Okay, I've got my heights and my levels and my angles. Let's go and see what I can make of it in the kitchen, because it's getting a bit late and I can hear my beer can calling me. Here we go, the hot glue gun's out and we're making a start. Wow, moving on a bit more, it's nearly midnight. I've got my beer, and this is my steps coming down onto the beach. So are they steps? No, they're not steps. They're flat. But I just, oh, that's better. I've just drawn some scummy steps just to represent steps. I have no idea how I would have made steps, but yeah, from a distance I think that's going to be okay. I'm looking forward to making the bridge part now, but I'll decorate the sides with some pre-cast concrete yeah, detail, and back in a little while. Well, good morning, it's the next day. These are my beach steps to get me down, get everyone down onto the beach. Anybody that knows Shakespeare Cliff will recognise these. It's not an exact copy, but I've got to take it up into the loft for a dry fit. So I'll do that, take you along. And I think I've been on eBay again. I've got two nice parcels, so we'll have a look and see what's in those. So what did I get? Two height gauges. I'm going to cut them off at the base there, get rid of the big base. So yeah, they're acceptable. I shall give them a bit of a run over with the file and a repaint, but they're cool. So I've got two of those, one slightly different to the other, only the paintwork, so two of those. What else did I get? I'm trying to build up a nice little parcels wagons, rake of wagons, all different. So I've got a couple of BR blue. This is like a blue, isn't it? British Rail kind of blue. I've got two blue ones. I've got one in cream and custard. I've got one in southern green. So I should have, oh, and I've got another one in kind of, I think it might be Midland crimson. So that should be a nice little rake of parcel wagons. It's Lima. I don't know how old this is. It's quite a nice model. It's got metal couplings that swivel. I've never seen those before. This is the odd thing about coming back to model railways after 30 odd years. So all these things I've got to learn. It's got metal wheels, which is quite cool. It'll run nicely. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. It's quite well detailed and will look great in my parcels rake. Yeah, something for Ginty to pull maybe. So we're off up the steps, up to the loft to do a dry fix. I've got to work out the size of the bridge now, and that will be going in. So upstairs we go. I'll see you in the loft. Look who's on cleaning duties. Yes, polish those tracks. Oh, 4 times around. And you can already tell there's a difference. There's no stuttering in the tunnels anymore. So back in a minute. There we go. I'm going to change, turn it upside down now, the J-cloth, and go for the polish round. Then I'll show you my new freight rake of freight parcels wagon. So bear with me. See you in another 4 laps. That's it. Here we come again. Alright, let's see how dirty you are this time. I can tell it. Here comes the B17 with my new freight train. Yeah, look at that. That's something else, isn't it? Lovely running now, it's been cleaned. Hey, what clean rails do, it's amazing. I've got my double guards van or brake van. I may be wrong. I think that's a parcels or a gov. Another one. That's the new Lima one that I got today. I think that's called a siphon, and the brake van on the back. So it's running so nicely now with clean rails. Here we go. Go on, off you go. Look at that. Nice and steady on spankingly clean rails. I've got another tunnel mouth to do over there now. Stop playing trains, Alan, and get this bridge in order. So this is my Shakespeare Cliff Beach. Pedestrian bridge down onto the beach. Where is the bridge gone? Here's the bridge. Try and fit it in place. Whoops, sorry about the camera work. Fight back, won't you? Yeah, there we go. That's my if anybody knows Shakespeare, do you think that looks similar? Is it high enough? Yes, just about. So that's my bridge, not quite finished, but I'm going to do a bit of gluing now. Back in a moment. There you go. If you know Shakespeare Beach, I'm sure that would give you the right flavour. It's a concrete structure, probably made just after the war. Got washed away a couple of years ago, so did all the sea wall. So the bridge that's there today is not the same. So that's Shakespeare Beach, public access bridge to the beach. As a kid I remember climbing up here many a time going home. or going up to Sunny Stores, but we're just up there to get a bottle of Coke and a packet of crisps or whatever we had, you know, in those days. Yeah, I'm happy with that. They're not steps. Those steps are not steps. They're just a pencil representation of steps, but from here with my eyes they look like steps. That's good enough for me. So onwards and upwards. Let's do some more scrubbing. We're just going to put Terrier in the sidings, and we're going to get the mighty Hymek to pull the cleaning carriage around this line. Back in a moment. Right, we've got the mighty Hymek, but first let's send off oh, wrong way. Let's just send off the freight train. That can keep running around. Off you go, girl. Go on. Yes. That's good. Right, Hymek, it's your turn. I'm not sure whether she's going to get through a Pico point, one of those three-way points. Yeah, go on, off you go. Oh. See you in a minute. 4 times round now, no less. Ah, 4 goes around. It's running much smoother, so I'll find you some British Rail carriages. We'll have a look. Your roof come off. It hit a signal on the way around, and oh, who's this creeping up on us again? Look how nice and gentle he's doing. Look, clean rails just make all the difference. Wow. You're meant to be wiring now and getting the scenery done, not just playing trains. Never mind. Wonderful. All 2 together. Look at that. This is mad one. 2, 3. Where's the 4th? Where have you gone, Ginty? Ginty? Oh, here she comes. 4 lines running. I don't believe it. I really don't believe it. Good timing, good timing, good timing. I don't believe it. Where's that Ginty got to now? Anything else? Ginty's stuttering like he's got dirty rails again. This dirty rail thing is becoming an issue. There's so much going on. Well, I think that's the end of this video. That's the Archers Shakespeare Beach Bridge. Now in. I shall do a bit on the beach at some point. I think I've got to go back to wiring now. Because to make these 4 tracks run, I've had to screw a couple of cables together. But what is this now? One more part. Chint is saying the rails are dirty again. He's stuttering. This is so busy. So busy. Is that it? Oh no, no. Okay, that's Alan in the loft. Calling it a day. And well, thanks for watching. More coming soon. Bye bye. Take care. Alan out.